And Shechail.
Yes.
So, what does it mean?
What does that mean exactly?
So, good question. Very, very good question. It says that Yitro came to Moshe Rabbeinu and he said, pick people that have Yirat Shamayim, pick people that are successful, pick people that are Ish Emet, pick people that hate money. And then it says in chapter 18, verse 25, it says, Vayivchar Moshe anshe chayil mikol Yisrael, vayiten otam rashim al ha'am sarei alafim sarei meot sarei chamishim v'sarei asarot. It says Moshe heeded the voice of his father-in-law and he did everything that he had said. And Moshe chose men of accomplishment from among all of Israel and appointed them as heads of the people, the leaders of thousands and so on and so forth. As he said, he listened to everything Yitro said, but then he says he only picked one. He only picked successful people. Why? Why, Rabotai? Why? It's a very good question.
Would that be the umbrella under, I don't think so.
No, because you just did. The other one is Nevatza. So what does it mean? It means that everyone loved money. It means everyone loved money so much they forgot about God. They forgot about God. They forgot about God. Rabotai, Shem Yirachem Aleinu. We got the Yam Suf. We got the Yam Suf. He split the ocean 12 times. He said, look at Hashem. He split the ocean so 12 times. He said, wait, hold on a second. Look, the Egyptians, all the gold is on the sea. They left God and they went to the gold. Moshe Rabbeinu was by himself with God. They left God. They went to the beach to collect all the gold from the Egyptians. They loved money, no different than how much we love money. This parasha is not about them. It's about us. We cannot judge them. They're the anshe of Dora De'ah. Alvai Aleinu to be De'ah. Alvai Aleinu to be of this generation. It's about us. He said we left God for the Egyptian money. We left God for the American money. We left God for all of, as he's saying, I didn't find one Yirat Shamayim. I didn't find one guy that had Ish Emet. I didn't find one guy that had anything other than money, other than success. That's all they had, success. All we have today, Rabotai, is a little bit of money Hashem put in our pockets, a little bit of money put in our bank accounts. That's all we have. That's all we have. Use it.